Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Best Buy customer service team. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of ways how to reach out to Best Buy's customer service. So you need to head over to bestbuy.com. Now from here, you want to navigate to the bottom of the page. And if you can see on the bottom right hand corner of the page, here's a little chatbot. So you can ask the chatbot to speak to a live customer service rep, and they'll be able to redirect you to someone. And another way is on the bottom of the page here, we've got under support and services, we've got contact us. So go ahead and click on contact us. And now, as you can see, it says, what can we help you with? So if you need help with any one of these, so your orders or purchases, my account, Best Buy membership, other. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use other. And now I'll take you to this page here. So you got support center, connect with an expert, chat online. You can visit Best Buy support by clicking this link. You can click on the chat now button, but as it states, our agents are unavailable right now, but we're ready to help again starting in a couple of days. So by the time this video goes out, this chat should be live. Another way to contact Best Buy is go to a site called pissedconsumer.com. And now once you're on this site, you might need to do a captcha. So I'm just going to quickly do the captcha. All right, now once you're on pissedconsumer.com, click on search, top of the page there, and then type in Best Buy. And now click on Best Buy. And then scroll down, and then you have these 4 tabs: review, about, contacts, Q&A. Click on contacts. And now scroll down, and then here's a number that you can call direct, or you can click on call customer service. And you've also got other numbers here, so I'm just going to click out that pop up. And you can also send Best Buy a message.